Welcome to our tutorial on viewing traffic analysis for your links. Are you ready to gain valuable insights into your link's traffic patterns? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of accessing and interpreting traffic analysis data. To begin, navigate to the link you wish to analyze. Then, locate the hamburger button on the right side of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Traffic Analysis. Once you've clicked on Traffic Analysis, you'll be presented with a comprehensive breakdown of data entries categorized by country, operating system, and platform. This information allows you to understand where your traffic is coming from and how it's accessing your link. Unlock the power of traffic analysis to optimize your link strategy and drive better results. Let's dive in and explore your link's traffic insights.